Welcome back. Let's test your English skills. What do we call the tool used for rolling dough? Spatula, rolling pin, whisk, grater. And the correct answer is rolling pin. Excellent. You got it right. What is the name of the tool used for shredding vegetables? Peeler, grater, ladle, sieve. And the correct answer is grater. Excellent. You got it right. What is the English name for a sieve used to strain liquids or flour? Funnel, strainer, sieve, colander. And the correct answer is sieve. Excellent. You got it right. Which tool is used for beating eggs or mixing batter? Whisk, fork, tongs, spoon. And the correct answer is whisk. Excellent. You got it right. How do we call the tool used for removing the skin of vegetables? Knife, peeler, cutter, slicer. And the correct answer is peeler. Excellent. You got it right. What is the English name for the tool used to pick up hot objects? Pliers, scissors, tongs, clips. And the correct answer is tongs. Excellent. You got it right. What do we call the tool used for flipping pancakes or doses? Spatula, ladle, skimmer, turner. And the correct answer is spatula. Excellent. You got it right. What is the English term for a deep-cupped spoon used for serving soup? Spoon, ladle, scoop, paddle. And the correct answer is ladle. Excellent. You got it right. What is the name of the tool used for extracting juice? Mixer, juicer, blender, grinder. And the correct answer is juicer. Excellent. You got it right. What is the name of the electrical appliance used to boil water quickly? Pot, pan, electric kettle, flask. And the correct answer is electric kettle. Excellent. You got it right. What is the bowl-shaped container with holes used for draining water? Colander, basin, sieve, jug. And the correct answer is colander. Excellent. You got it right. What is the board used for cutting vegetables called? Wood board, chopping board, slice board, table. And the correct answer is chopping board. Excellent. You got it right. What is the name of the box used to keep food safe and warm/cold? Oven, casserole, toaster, air fryer. And the correct answer is casserole. Excellent. You got it right. What do we call the mortar and pestle in English? Crusher and grinder. Mortar and pestle. Bowl and stick. Hammer and base. And the correct answer is mortar and pestle. Excellent. You got it right. Which appliance is used for browning slices of bread? Grill, toaster, oven, microwave. And the correct answer is toaster. Excellent. You got it right. What is the tool used for opening bottles? Opener, bottle opener, corkscrew, key. And the correct answer is bottle opener. Excellent. You got it right. What is the English name for the slotted spoon used for frying? Skimmer, slotted spoon, fryer, whisk. And the correct answer is skimmer. Excellent. You got it right. What is the English name for a funnel? Tube, pipe, funnel, cone. And the correct answer is funnel. Excellent. You got it right. What is the English name for the place where you wash dishes? Tub, basin, sink, tank. And the correct answer is sink. Excellent. You got it right. Which appliance is used for cooking food very quickly using steam? Steamer, pressure cooker, rice cooker, boiler. And the correct answer is pressure cooker. Excellent. You got it right.